Cleaning Hammerite brushes. I think my first word of advice would be don't do it. Now Hammerite thinners are eye-wateringly expensive, more expensive than the brushes, and if you can get hold of some toluene solvent, that will clean Hammerite, but it has a nasty habit of evaporating out of sealed containers, and it's expensive. My answer is get a jar of hot dogs, as tall as possible, tall enough to take the whole brush, and throw the hot dogs away or give them to the dog. Put enough water in the bottom to cover the bristles and seal it with the lid. The lid's there to stop the water evaporating. I haven't used this brush for about 3 months. Shake it dry and it's ready to use again with Hammerite. Pop it back in the water and keep it until you next want to use it. I hope this helps you.